with the stress of art, related to art, don't know how to overcome that, don't have the motivation to do that? Are you dealing with the things that you are not good enough, your results aren't the way that you want it to be? Then this is the right place for you. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. In this video I'm gonna talk about art stress and how to deal with that. This is the most common situation that many artists faces, and so I too face this situation, and I have some steps and solutions. So let's get back into this video. So beginning with that, the art stress is related to the things that you are doing, that you're not improving, you are not enjoying it, you're dealing with how to overcome that, how to improve, how to go to the next level. You are not liking your art results, you're thinking you are not good enough because you don't have the skills, you don't have the art supplies, you don't have the experience, and all that thing comes into play when you are thinking about the art stress. So let's begin with the first approach that you have to deal with while dealing with the art stress. The first approach is mindset approach. Guys, mindset is the key asset, because whenever you are dealing with any type of situation, if your mindset is in the right way, then you're gonna get the results which you wanted. If your mindset is in the right way, then you won't be getting the result that you don't want. Okay, so mindset is the way, and how to deal with that, you have to take it as a level that, okay, I am improving it, I'm moving it slowly day and day, and I'm gonna improve it. Suppose if I'm on the day first of my month, and then I will going to look at me at the 30th of the month, and then 30 days I'm gonna see what are the changes or what are the improvement have done in that. So you have to be patient and you have to be consistent. It all depends on the mindset, because I usually talk about the things that deal with the mindset. If you're not having the proper mindset, you won't get the desired results. So you have to deal with these things, and yeah, it's not a magic wand that I'm gonna rotate it and you won't get the results and all that. No, it's like a daily practice, consistency and a patience that gives you the results that you want it to be. Mindset, you need to enjoy the things. If you're not enjoying it, if you're not enjoying your art journey, then it's gonna be really difficult for you to overcome the hurdles that you're facing in your art journey. So you have to enjoy the process. Even though you are not getting the results at the moment, you need to say to yourself, at least I tried it, and even if I didn't get the result, that's okay. Today I didn't get it, in the future I will be getting the results that I want it to be. So enjoying the journey is the more important rather than thinking about the end result, because if you're not enjoying the process, you are dealing with the stresses at the moment, then at the end, if you are getting the result, you won't be able to enjoy it, because you are wasting your time in stressing about the things that doesn't really matter after all in the end. That I have for you in mindset. Let's move on to the second approach that I have for you is enjoying. I have discussed about in the first is also, but I need to tell you a little bit in more depth. You need to enjoy your journey. You need to enjoy the process. While you're making that, let's play some music. Listen to the music and start your artwork. Take it as a cool, take it as a relax, that okay, fine, I'm not getting it, that's completely okay, but I have tried it, I'm enjoying the process. And art is so beautiful, even though you won't get the results that you want, but the thing is that you need to enjoy it. If you're not enjoying, then it would be difficult for you. So you have to enjoy the process. Then I have for the third approach that I have for you to dealing with these stresses is very much like, you can say a thing that gonna help you in dealing with the stress. Like when you are making your artworks, you can mention the date on that. Suppose you are doing it in your sketchbook, then you can start with the page 1, then you can mention the date, and then at the end, suppose you're approaching till today 30th page, then you can mention the dates, and then you can compare yourself from the past 4 days or 1 month, 4 weeks or something like that, and then you can compare yourself the today's results. And in that process, you will definitely going to find the approach that if you are writing the dates on the artwork, then you're gonna compare your artwork from 15 days back or 30 days back, and you can see the result. There would be definitely improvement in your art results. This will really going to decrease the level of your art stress and will give you going to relax, because you will going to see that yeah, you have improved a lot in these many days. If improvement is there, then stress is gonna decrease, otherwise it will gonna increase. So you have to decrease the stress by like mentioning the date in the sketchbook, and then you can compare it and can see the results that you have improved a lot. So this is the one, like a small tip. It's not gonna be that third approach, but it's a small tip, that pro tip that gonna help you. So before moving on to our another approach, guys, I have to say you, if this video is helpful to you, please comment below what do you think about this video. Is it helpful to you or not? Or are you facing any other situation related to art and artists and all that, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a separate video on that too. And if you're liking it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so for future more art doses and art motivation tips that will really gonna help you in your art journey. So let's move on to the next approach that I have for you is planner. I usually quite emphasize a lot in my planner because planner has really gonna do to your list. Because if you're planning your day on a weekly basis, then you're able to know that what you have done in your week, and you can review it and you can give yourself a feedback about that, because feedback help you to improve a lot. Even if it is a negative feedback, it help you you're improving a lot. So you can maintain the plan and you can check it, how much you have improved, how much you have done, and you're trying it even though you're not getting the results, but you are trying it. So this planner thing is really going to help you reducing your art stress, because you are literally viewing your report in like 30 days. Suppose you are maintaining that, so you can literally view your report in 30 days how much you have improved. So that gonna decrease your art stress and will gonna increase your enjoyment and will gonna increase your motivation to do more artworks, to try more and to learn more. The another approach that I have for you is learning. Whenever you are approaching the things that you are learning something, you're never gonna stress it a lot, because you would be thinking, okay, I need to learn this much and I have taken the first step forward to learning that. That's okay. I have taken this, and then future I will take be more step, thinking ki, okay, I have done this much, so I will going to do more. So by learning, if you're having the learning approach in your mind, you're never gonna stress it. You always take it easy and you will enjoy the process, because you're focusing on the learning. You're not focusing on the end result. So it's all about the mindset and focusing on the things that is right for you. If you're focusing on the wrong things, wrong stuff, then you will going to stress out in the real time, and in fact you will going to stress out very fast, because you would be wanting your result and you are not getting it, so you will be stressing. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below, and for till then, see the more videos that I have on this end screen. And yeah guys, see you for the next time. Take care guys, bye.